Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the fast charging problem step by step with clear checks. First, check the cable ratings and charger output like 5V/3A or 9V/2A. Then inspect the USB port for lint and corrosion and clean gently with a toothpick. Next, check battery health percentage and recent charge cycles in phone settings to spot degradation. Also test with an original charger and a known good cable to isolate hardware or software causes. Apply quick fixes that often restore fast charging within minutes. Replace cables with ones rated 3A and supporting USB power delivery or quick charge protocols. Use chargers that provide 18W to 65W and match the phone fast charge protocol for safe high current. Disable background apps, enable airplane mode, and reboot the phone to reduce load while charging. Also try another power source like a wall outlet instead of a laptop USB port to ensure full current delivery. Perform advanced checks and take prevention steps to protect fast charging long-term. Limit charging temperature below 35 degrees C and avoid charging in direct sunlight or under pillows to prevent thermal throttling. Calibrate the battery by charging to 100%, then discharging to 5% about once per month to improve reporting accuracy. Replace the battery when capacity drops below 80% or after several hundred charge cycles to restore charging speed. If problems persist, seek authorized service for port or charger diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.